G'day guys, just want to show you where the kitchen chemistry experiments are found on the Physics Education website. So when you head on over to fizzicseducation.com.au, you'll be able to see the free resources, click on it and click on the free experiments. And I'm going to do that really quickly right now to take you exactly to where you need to be. So once you go to fizzicseducation.com.au, you'll see there's a series of sections all with a different areas of science that you can possibly do. Now, I know that kitchen chemistry is highly popular and it can stuff that you can do with things that are in your kitchen and for the local shops. So click on kitchen chemistry experiments and that'll open up 4 pages filled with things that you can do using simple resources. So what can you expect? Down the bottom, every single experiment is written out pretty easily. I mean, if I click on one of these ones, for example, let's do pen chromatography. I simply click on read more and it'll take us then to the page and it'll then say what you got to have, a picture of what you have to have, and then a series of pictures and instructions of every single part of the experiment. But importantly, it'll also have down below what is happening and some variables to try, because one thing to do chemistry and just try one thing after another and just seeing the result. What we really want to do in science is to change one thing and see the effect. That's what this is all like. So every single one of these experiments will have that exact setup. Again, just see the 150 experiments, click on kitchen chemistry, and then as I said, there are 4 pages filled with activities that you can do, and just make sure you do a bit of variable testing, and that will keep you very, very in good stead for a lot of your chemistry experiments that you got to do at school. So, hope that helps. Again, Physics Education, Fizzics education.com.au. Click on the free resources, click on 150 experiments, then just scroll down to the kitchen chemistry section and find your way through these 4 different pages of experiments that you can do.